Hey guys, today in this video let's see how to keep your desktops clean and inclusive of file explorer. And first thing, let's continue with desktop itself. I've seen many people like it'll be like fully like loaded with icons like apps and all. For that they can't like paste every apps and do it. So I'll just show an example. Can you understand anything? It will be like irritating for everything would be irritating. Can you even find anything? It should be clean, crystal clean. I'll delete everything. It should be like this, or else your mind will be cluttered. So after this, what you have to do is, let's get into the file explorer. So this is also a main step. In quick access you get these. So first let's open desktop. It will be only this much, don't exceed some limits. Just keep the files that you needed. So today I needed like, I don't need this really, I'm sorting it right now. Lightroom I needed sometimes, so this one I surely needed. This is like study thing, and this one also I needed. It's submission today. And like Windows 10 update, that one I don't need. Chrome I need, and laptop, this one is like it won't delete. Can you see? Because this is like backup from my previous like account. Recycle bin I have to, I'll just remove it. So this I surely need to enter my class. Doc 1, that's my like PDFs and all. Adobe Photoshop I really need for every video as I create thumbnails. And this is Google Chrome I need it, Microsoft I need it. So I have these much, so should be like useful, not fully cluttered. And I need another like application. So you need these, and let's pin to the because I use this every day, so I'll pin it over here. And then you have like let's open this one, documents over here. Documents, Adobe, mobile, PDF. When I click mobile, can you see JSON pen? In this it will be like divided into folders. So when you keep on folders, it will be like your mind would be clear. And then like let's open downloads. Can you see it's clear? Software, I have like every software in it. Every like some software should be like taken care, because when you are giving your laptop to service, some like not official service center, if you give to some other like service center, they might like like take your softwares, like crack it and give it to somebody else. So you should be like keep it safely. So I created like this. AS means it will be like this. US like it should be like this. So even Blender, can you see it? I need Blender sometimes, so I've kept like this. Everything will be like clear, crystal clear. And Telegram desktop, can you see? It will be like this. So software is divided correctly, and then let's like I've created for like folders WowMindz related, and I have downloaded like many things that will be related to WowMindz, so I keep it over here. And then you have music over here. I have our channel outro music, and even I have to make a folder for it. Not let's keep like this, just WowMindz, like let's create WowMindz, and then let's paste it over here, move it over here, and then pictures, it should be divided correctly. So this one would be like this. Even these folder, everything should be separated correctly. When you go like pictures from this device, it will be like this much, it will be divided. And then when you go to videos, you have like memes, I actually I want to delete this because this is work and study laptop, and this is also the only one laptop, and this is my school, like school videos, and then screen recorded through game bar, and game bar controls are Windows G, this one, but it won't record in file explorer or desktop. And then you have WowMindz, like here I have full channel video related videos, and then we have our Windows C user. It should be divided like this, it will be divided like this, and you get more options. And now what I'm going to do is, this PC can it's like free. Now let's do one thing, let's format it. You could do it in through the disk management. Right click, format, will be formatted, will be done. So this is one way. And now what I'm going to do is, like downloads, let's create a backup. That's the best idea. So this is like separate downloads. Let's go over here, this is the real downloads that I'm using right now. I just do like this, move, like we need this one. So now I'll just select it and move to choose location, down, new volume F, make a new folder, create backups. I'll just explain it in a minute. Over here downloads, and I have to rename it, I kept it wrongly, so rename this downloads on 17 December. So it should be like you have to take continuous like backup and move, like click on it, move, so it will automatically move. Let's leave it and I'll explain it. So over here, if you have like 237 GB, like 250 GB SSD, and rest of it comes like without partition like hard drives, you just make partition by seeing my video. I did the same. I had a like single partition unpartitioned device, and I made it into partition. So while partitioning you'll get like this board will be same, and you'll get 931 GB that like I got, and it will be like that. If you get 2000 also, it will be like different. After that, what you have to do is create partition, and then like create if you have the same as mine, create 556 for like main drive, volume D secondary, and then F as 370, like a small ratio. As with that you take some backups, and if you like need like more space to do something else, just create a folder in the new volume F and like backup, and then do it, because you need it surely for making other like using it. So can you see backups be like separated like this? Also what you could do is backups over here, other folders, but mainly keep this for backup. Your data will be like easily saved and done. So my download is copying. Over here I'll keep like other apps files and all, so this will be fully clean. So your desktop will be fully clean, and you'll get a peaceful and your mind will be in a clarity. When you close it, will be like this. And I'll just say you some shortcuts. Windows Shift S is for screenshot. I think most of you all know, but some of them don't know. And then like subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notified, and share this video to everyone. If you have not checked my website, you could go and check it. It's www.wowminds.com. In it, you get like many new helping features for you. You'll get like technical assistance through which, if you get any software problems in your device, it'll be it'll be done in just 10 minutes. But you have to fill in your details. So just see it in in my website wowminds.com. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.